This is our most popular lantern for a reason. Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the Solar Centre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Grosvenor Solar Lantern. Let's unbox! The Grosvenor Solar Lantern is a versatile and stylish lantern which comes in anthracite grey. It has glass casing and an antique bulb. Before we unbox, let's go through some of the features of this light. This light has 200 lumens of brightness and is completely wireless. The solar panel is completely integrated into the lantern itself and has a built-in dust sensor. This just means the light will turn on automatically when it gets dark. This light has also been built to withstand harsh British winters and offers a warm white vintage glow. Let's unbox and have a look. So inside the box we have the instructions and the light itself all nicely wrapped up. This light comes in two parts. We have the light body and the light bulb. This light has a nice size, measuring at 22.5 centimeters tall, 12 centimeters wide and 12 centimeters deep. This light is super easy to set up. All you have to do is pop off the top of the lantern, take your bulb, open it up and gently screw the bulb into place. Now before we place this lantern back where it belongs, you'll need to press the on-off button, which can be found next to the newly installed bulb. You can cover the solar panel to check that the light works. If your light doesn't turn on, don't panic. All you have to do is leave the light out in the sunshine for 3 to 5 days and then it will turn on. Make sure you place this light in a location which has lots of sunlight, otherwise it may not perform to the best of its ability. You can place this lantern on tabletops or patios, or you can even hang it from a hook with the included handle. If you have any questions on this product, please do leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.